I'm excited to announce that in less than 6 months, which will capture your imagination.
Chosen. Oh. I'm trying to. Is that?
A 2-day event not to be missed. Focus on helping you. Focus on. Oh.
From breakout rooms like this, we'll be hosting dozens of top. So sorry. Hang on. Let me just run through it in my head really fast. Kubernetes, edge computing. Yep, just those two.
We're running more than 10. Sorry, start again. Let's go more excited than that. We're running more than 10 interact. That was a bit shouty.
Check 1 2 1 2. Check levels.
To help inspire ideas, boost. We've booked the hottest venue in time, all whilst giving you the best view in town. Yeah, I kind of. Yeah. Kind of yeah. It was a habit then.
Sorry. With a meal voucher to the public market each day, you'll have a variety of options to choose from. They even have amazing locally brewed coffee. Sorry, that felt really big.
But that's not all. We've got a huge surprise. So my ears just kind of blocked up.
Her levels are a little higher. I'll bring yours up a little bit. Is that cool?
We've got a huge surprise with a globally renowned keynote speaker.